How to fix Toniebox green light but no sound. First, turn the volume up properly. The Toniebox ears control volume. You tap the right ear for volume up and you tap the left ear for volume down. Try increasing volume multiple times because it may be muted completely. Second, restart the Toniebox. A simple reboot fixes many audio glitches. Turn the Toniebox upside down, press and hold both ears for about 10 seconds, wait for the shutdown sound, and then turn it back on. Third, remove and re-add the Tony character. Sometimes the downloaded audio file gets stuck, so remove the Tony figure, wait 10 seconds, place it back in the box, let it download, and if the LED flashes blue for a while, it may be re-downloading content. Fourth, check headphone mode. Sometimes the breeze or a faulty headphone jack makes the Toniebox think headphones are plugged in. If nothing works, it's possibly a speaker failure. You can also contact Tony support for warranty or repair options. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.